some hot chocolate. Chocolate.
Alexa, play Guccini. One lick, my first blood. Funk and carbon monoxide, blood, and treatments. Compare it on the best part of house for you. I'm gonna walk up. There's nothing like when you can finally be present together.
My sister brought these handmade, what do you call these things? Table coasters? Cup coasters? Whatever, from Morocco. So these are from Morocco, which is pretty cool. What is up, guys? So I am on my way to go get a wax. It's kind of like a last minute appointment, so I'm just looking real basic right now. I just put on the hat, put on the shirt, and just hurried up out of the house. So I've been at my mom for the past few days because she had a really serious surgery, so she needed my help. I've been there with my dad, so he let me off my shift. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm about to go run a few errands. I need to go do that, and I need to go, my cousins are coming into town, so I had something to wear to go out, but now I'm going to go get something else because it's kind of cold. So I'm just going to try to find something long sleeve, because what I had was like a crop top and some biker shorts. It was like a matching set that I got from Boohoo. It's really cute, but it's kind of cold for that. So today is Friday, by the way. I'm still doing Vlogmas, as you can see if you're watching this. So yep, I'm getting ready to go run a few errands and then come back and clean up my house. And that's about it. Oh, I need to go to Walmart too. I need to go to Walmart because I need a new trash can. I threw my trash can away because I hate when the trash can gets dirty. And once it gets like too dirty, I'm just like over it. So I threw the trash can away. I need a trash can. I need some trash bags. And I want to get some lashes from Walmart because Walmart has this one specific pair of lashes from Salon Perfect that I love. So I want to get those as well. But yeah, so just checking in. I really was gonna do it just to, I was gonna surprise you, but I was like, it's not gonna work. So
what's not gonna work?
I was gonna try to surprise you with it.
Oh, that'd have been dope. You should have surprised me.
It wasn't gonna work.
Why?
Because when I
Let's go! What? Don't talk to me. What? What you tell them? When I've been broke, last night I y'all better act like y'all know it. One more time, one more time.
and then she told me she was real embarrassed. She was like, I broke my shoe. I said, oh, don't worry about it. She stayed though. I'm like, I ain't trying to babysit.
On the flip side, Adam Thielen has been a QBR machine this year. He gets more than 8 passes a game in the NFL. And as tough as it is to play in Seattle, this is a team that went out on the 27th think is in the offing because the Vikings still will not commit.
Y'all,
They say.
say something to the camera.
No. Hey, we're on this beautiful mountain. Climbing to the top. We wanted to stop a few times, but we kept going.
Chicago.
We didn't quit. Got us down from Chicago. It's beautiful, taking in the scenes.
Yeah.
My
Let's
message
go.
to you
We
is
hitting
to
it.
just keep climbing. Keep climbing. No matter how bad you
It's
wanna
the climb. Right. Let's go. Get. I get it. I'm gonna get some while they kind of going down.
Don't fall.
She care more about the camera than me, y'all.
No, I said if you can't.
She like, I paid too much money for this camera. There's always gonna be another mountain. You're almost there. Yeah, you're right. Don't be a basketball player out here. All right, I think that's enough footage. My vlog.
Y'all staying, y'all might as well keep it here for tomorrow.
We still not gonna touch that tomorrow.
We finna check it.
Hey.
That ain't shit.